In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, customize, and link text on Wix Editor. We'll start by opening your site in the Wix Editor. Once you are inside the editor, the first thing you will want to do is add a section to your page so you have a clear space to place your text. This helps keep your layout organized and makes it easier to design the content exactly where you want it. Next, go to the left side menu and click the plus icon. This is where you can add new elements to your page. From there, select text. Wix gives you a few different text options to choose from, including theme text, titles, and paragraphs. You can click a template if you want something ready-made, or simply drag any text box directly onto the page if you want more control over placement. Once the text element is on your canvas, double-click it to enter text editing mode. You'll see placeholder text inside the box. Just delete that sample text and type in your own content, or paste in text you've already prepared. This is the fastest way to start building out headings, descriptions, or any written content you want visitors to see. After that, click on the text box and choose Edit Text to open the customization toolbar. This is where you can style your text to match the look of your website. You can choose a font from the drop-down menu and adjust the font size using the slider. If you want to improve emphasis or readability, you can also apply formatting like bold, italics, or underline. Alignment options are available too, so you can set your text to left, center, right, or justified, depending on the design you are going for. You can also change the text color by clicking the color icon. Wix lets you choose from theme colors for a more consistent design, or you can select a custom color if you want something more specific. For even more refinement, adjust the character spacing and line spacing to improve readability, especially for longer text blocks. You can also add effects like shadows if you want to give the text a bit more visual depth. To turn text into a link, highlight the specific word or phrase you want people to click. Then click the link icon in the text settings menu, which looks like a chain link. Choose where you want that link to go, such as another page, an anchor on the same page, a web address, or a document. And then click Done. That's it. Thanks for watching.